Did you know that every Christmas you've missed the world's most beautiful aurora viewing train in Alaska? Alaska has a winter train designed almost exclusively for viewing the snow, wilderness, and the aurora borealis. It's the Alaska Railroad's Aurora Winter Train, a train that only runs during the winter from mid-September to mid-May, when Alaska enters its most magical time of year. The train's route starts from Anchorage and passes through the cities of Wasilla, Talkeetna, Hurricane, Healy, Nenana, and Fairbanks. This is the same route as the Denali Star in the summer, but the winter scenery is completely different. As the train leaves Anchorage, the faint winter light blankets the Susitna Valley, where mountains appear hazy in the cold mist. The train passes through Talkeetna and Denali, where on clear days Mount Denali, North America's hot